Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to my world. This is the world of Wayne. Today I'm going to show you how I can go about making a mechanical dragonfly. All of this from the folks over at moyustore. Now this is one of the teching kits. Now that basically means the electrics and the metal and the presentation of this is unsurpassed. I'm going to show you that in a minute. I'm going to show you a little bit about the building of it as well. I'm not going to go into too much detail of the building because the model actually speaks for itself, as you can see here. But what I do want to show you is how I actually got to this stage. Now, if you want to get one of these for yourself, I have put the link in the video description to moyustore. There is a discount code there as well, which will get you 10% off. And you can actually build one of these for yourselves. But check out moyustore because they've got loads of other things there as well. As you know, I did the mechanical wasp from moyustore. That's up there as well. And I'm still working on the squid at the moment, the moon squid, which has been on the channel somewhere before. But I've put all of these in their playlist anyway. So let me show you how I built the mechanical dragonfly. So this is the finished dragonfly. Now I've modded mine a little bit. I've moved the stand further back so I can actually put some flowers in the front there, which I think looks pretty good. But if I turn it on, this will give you an idea of how it looks. Now the bevel gears here rotate the ring around. Actually the motor rotates the ring around, which causes those gears there to make the dragonfly's wings flap, as you can see there. But that is pretty cool, and I do love the detail of just how it's flapping there. But yeah, absolutely love it. Now, when I was building the dragonfly, I was actually doing it on a live stream, and I'm not going to lie to you, doing the actual dragonfly quite fiddly. It's pretty hard to figure out what screws to use as well. But just like the other teching kits that we did, the robot and the nodding donkey, it is self-explanatory once you actually know what you're doing. But I've got two just on show here. We've obviously got the dragonfly, which I'll have flapping its wings there. And this is the moyustore wasp I do. And the reason that I like these is just their works of art. They're not just model building. They are absolute works of art. And what I'm doing is I'm actually displaying them on the shelf here. I'm in the process of actually moving things around so I can have a whole collection of these. But as I said, you don't have to do what is in the instructions. And I'm quite happy with what I've done there. I wanted a place to actually put some flowers and stuff. Now, the flowers I've put in here are actually real. I actually want to get some fake ones so that they're not going to die and put them in there. But I'm absolutely captivated at just what that works. Now, this has only just come out over at moyustore, so if you want to get this for yourself, once again, I have put the link in the video description. There is also a discount code there as well. But I'm sure you'll agree with me. Looks absolutely amazing. Anyway, I really do hope you like that video. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Other than that, take care.